You don't have to burn through cash on endorsed meds from specialists or utilize some other techniques. Rather, you can cure it using conventional home fixings which are reasonable, effective, and high in getting results. 1. Lavender oil. Its antifungal properties will also help to remove foot odor. Take some lavender oil in warm water and soak the feet in the warm water. You can repeat this process twice a day. 2. Baking soda. Baking soda will also help to manage the pH level of the skin. Take some baking soda and add it to warm water. Soak the feet in this solution for a few minutes. Baking soda can also be spread on the feet to get better results. 3. Ginger. Put the mash into a handkerchief and soak into warm water for a few minutes. Now use this warm water and rub it on your feet every night before going to bed. Repeating this remedy daily provides a great relief from the problem of foot odor. 4. Epsom salt. Add 2 teaspoons of Epsom salt in half a bucket of warm water. Immerse your feet in the soak for 15 minutes every night before going to sleep. Repeat this nightly ritual daily to get rid of smelly feet. 3. Aloe vera. Apply aloe vera juice directly on your feet, especially between your fingers, where the sweat gets trapped. Make sure to wash your feet before applying. Apply it once a week for best results. If you have any question, then discuss in our community or comment, like, share and subscribe our channel to get more videos.